troubling news when it comes to our climate.
A new study suggests that global warming is happening faster than scientists had predicted. Our David Yeomans joins us live in the studio to look at what this could mean for Texas.
Well, each year, Robert, the Arctic ice cap goes through a seasonal process of growing during the winter and shrinking during the summer. But during this most recent summer, the ice cap shrank to its smallest size ever in the history of satellite measurement. This image was taken on September 16th by a satellite that monitors ice coverage. The line drawn onto the image shows where the edge of the ice cap should be at the end of the summer, based off of 31 years of satellite data. The difference between that line and the actual amount of ice seen here is an area nearly half the size of the United States. This alarming melting caused by warmer than average temperatures is a sobering reminder of the realities of climate change, as well as what it could mean right here in Texas.
Yeah, the temperatures have been rising across Texas for the past 4 decades or so, and the climate models project a continued increase at the rate of about 1 degree Fahrenheit every 10 to 15 years.
Another consequence of ice melt is sea level rise. Global ocean levels have already risen almost 7 inches in the past century, and with the accelerated ice melt we're witnessing today, a sea level rise of 3 feet in the next century is now considered just a middle-of-the-road prediction. David Yeomans, KXAN News.